and I have sent the children to Europe for training in football and tennis. This Academia Sports Village will be having some issue with the landlord right now. He's not the owner of the actual land. My name is Mohammad Shamsuddin. I'm the Sports Village CEO. I have built up the academy, Sports Village Academy, on 2 acre land. And I've invited Home Minister Mahmood Ali. I have invited Justice Narayana. I have invited British Deputy High Commissioner. और बहुत सारे वीआईपी पीवी प्रभाकर राव और जो नरसिम्हा राव के बेटे हैं उनको भी इनवाइट किया था प्लांट स्कैल्पिंग के लिए. मैंने बहुत ही इंटरनेशनल इवेंट किए. आई हैव इनवाइटेड मेनी coaches from European countries, and I have sent the children to Europe for training in football and tennis. For thinking, I have a illusion, I have a drive to promote and sports for the children of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. I have a passion, so that's why I invested my own
Which types of sport you promote?
football and tennis. And right now I have academy football, tennis, and also beach volleyball. अपन तो बहुत अच्छे हैं सब जो गरीब बच्चे हैं जो डिसेबल है. This Academia Sports Village will be having some issue with the landlord right now because this guy is doing some. He's not the owner of the actual land. And I came to know that day before yesterday that in Enadu they have published a caution notice that uh, it will be a big chaos for me not have the facility prepared. जो भी है वो लोग हमको रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये 27 अगस्त में हम उसको लीज पे लिए थे सर 2001 में 4 साल से 4 years we've been continuously supporting and continuously doing you know preparing the academy. Right now the problem is they come to know that we have issue with the landlord because the landlord is not is a landlord. His name is Madhi Ram Reddy, and Rajeshwari is the main person who is the owner of the land.
To whom the agreement to you for this property?
The Madhi Ram Reddy.
Where involved this other person?
Other person is I have no idea. They didn't come and they didn't ask me. Now I have got the court notice that the issue came up. So I went to the Commissioner Mohanty and other ACP, and I am going to DCP and ACP as well, and then as well as Commissioner of Police too.